Manchester United win without Bruno. What? What? Check the weather. Take Stella freeze over. Well, everybody, welcome back to Channel Farm. Make sure you drop a like on the video. It's free, no cost nothing. Right on the top, drop a like on the video. Subscribe for brand new referee. Do this the farm. Let's go. Manchester United just won 1-0. It was an entertaining game, but we're not here for entertainment. We little past 10 years. So we're not here for entertainment. We're doing it for points. And today, we got 3 points left. The 3 points that were in offering, we picked it up and we took away and took away with it. And listen, I am happy. I am so happy. I was on things on this. Well, to be honest, Newcastle created a few chances, yes, but I didn't think throughout that game that they were deadly. Like I was pressing that they're going to score. I didn't see that happen. I didn't see Lemons making critical saves throughout the game. Yes, we hit the post one, but we hit the post twice, so it doesn't matter. It's a game. It's a game of we scored and then just come break it down, brother. But I think the key to this game today, and I don't know if it's the key moving forward, it's the key because we don't have a section of players. But Manchester United is four. I don't know if it's 4-3-2-1 or four. I don't know what the midfield setup was. I didn't look at that because when I started four, at the back, Mr. Bumbucker or one or Luke Shaw left back. It didn't go too far forward anyway, just conservative my left back. Dallo right back and Dorgo left forward, left wing, and left midfield. I don't know what he was for. That blood clot go from Dorgo. That goal from Dorgo blood. We needed that blood. We needed that blood, not goal. Now I can see it. We're finally seeing the way Ruben Amorim is changing the way he's thinking about the football. The way he's thinking about all football plays in England. Because remember, football in Portugal is different from football in England. You understand what I say? It's totally different. And it took him a year to figure out, to listen, we don't have the players to play cheap or whatever. We will go back to Bruno and the rest of them come back. But today, honest to God, the player that team that had the 4-3-2-1 whatever it was. And bro, they played well. No, defensively in the second half, very much so. Bring on two defenders towards the end, very much so. But still, we secured a win, bro. And that's the most important thing. Remember, points that mean points in. Every game is about points. Every one, nothing else, brother. And bro, listen, man, what's a blood clot game, fam? Listen, I'll take that 3 points every day. Mark it down. One love, we'll take it any day. Plus, when we get a clean sheet, you know how long you say a clean sheet? If it's a today, you know how long you say a clean sheet? Well, Manchester United, you know what the bomb clock, man. Listen, man. Listen me well, fam. Listen. Thank you, Ruben Amorim, for finally realizing that. Listen, I know you said the Pope alone can make a change, but look at the Pope in India. The Pope in India said we're going to make a change. Because that's what they did. I don't know if the Pope, Allah, Jesus, one of Jesus' friend, then someone come here and say, yo, Ruben, now work out, now work out, and he's stressing out Manchester United fans, they need to change. And that he did. That he blood started. And let me tell you, fam, let me blood start to you. What a team performance today. Cunha all over the place. The number 25. Listen here. The number 25. Oh God, I did not see you do anything wrong. I didn't see you lose the ball. I didn't see you make a weird pass. I didn't see you do anything you said. We just run up and down our road place, which is what we need. No, I saw in essence why Ruben Amorim took out Ruben Amorim, Casemiro. Because you realize that he needs someone to be mobile in the midfield. And this is got to make some 40-yard dash, 75 meters. You say, what I'm not from start. Listen, man. Ruben Amorim, you know how the team is. You know how the team is. I am not going to second to you again, bro. Because I say to you, when you say extra question, you say, really? Really? And I say, yeah, why because extra question, you're most experienced player, right? You don't do anything tackling. But, bro, what a substitution that was leaving Ugarte and the field, bro. What a substitution that was. The man full of legs. The man can run. And that's what we needed. Even if you're not winning the ball, show themselves in the there. So you can't play a basket. Yeah, thank you very much for that win. I can feel comfortable moving towards the weekend. And watch yourself post them today. Best of all people. Make sure you drop a like and video. And again, it's free. Completely free. Drop a like and video. Subscribe if you're brand new. Best of yourself. Best of others. Manaz.